Hi guys, welcome to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to add Google Search Console to Wix. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now fortunately, there is no direct way to add a Google Search Console or the search bar of Google itself, but there is an alternative to have the similar effect. As you can see right now on my website over here, I have a search bar available for me to use. Now, how do you get this? To be able to have this on your website, simply click on Add Elements, and over here, look for the menu and anchor. In this area, you will be able to find the site search over here, and simply, you have an option over here to add a Wix search bar. After enabling that, you will be able to see all of this option, which will allow you to add a search bar or a search console on your Wix website, and then simply drag it into your website and you will be able to have it, as you can see, just like that. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.